can have all the streams and followers in the world, but nothing replaces the power of being there in person. When Travis Scott turned his concerts into full-blown festivals, or when Nike dropped the sneaker stash pop-ups in random cities, people didn't just show up for the product or performance, they showed up for the moment. Live experiences hit different because they create emotion you can't fake online. You remember their energy, the crowd, the feeling of being part of something way bigger than you. That's what keeps fans connected. It's not just what they hear or buy, it's what they feel. And the wild part is, those in-person memories actually become digital gold later. A clip from one concert or a selfie from a sneaker drop can live forever online and keep the hype going long after the lights turn off. This is Culture Class 365. I'm CClaxton, and I'm breaking down the stories, styles, and moments shaping music, sneakers, sports, photography, and culture as we know it. The key takeaway here is that live experiences build loyalty. Streams fade, trends change, but moments last. When you give people something they can feel, they'll show up every single time.